Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LG Q6 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and tap on the general. Here we have to scroll down in order to find battery and power saving, and as you can see here we've got the option battery percentage on status bar, which is right now obviously turned off because we've got only the battery icon. So let's tap on the switcher and as you can see it immediately changes, and from now on next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.